Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the air conditioning control out. Just get a screwdriver on each side. Pull back. You're going to have to put the shifter out of park in order to get that out. Next thing you want to do is you want to go under here, pull this up, and move it off to the side. You want to pop this thing, pull forward on it to get it loose. You just move it and put it out of the way. You have to turn the ignition on, pull this down. I prefer to go ahead and take it all out of the way. Put it back in park. I take 4 screws out, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Super easy. Okay. Okay.